issues are getting closer, but yet further away. Waiting for the ball to drop like a pendulum. You try to stop it, back and forth it goes. I take one step forward and 2 steps back, realizing I'm just walking backwards in reverse. Oh, there's irony in losing something you never even had. But when you reach for it, it vanishes again. My world falls apart. You hold me like this, nowhere we can run. When my demons come back to haunt me, we fight them all for me. When your world falls apart, oh, I will not run. There will be nothing by the time I'm done. I'm sailing to sleep, I lie in your bed, I sit with your demons until they are dead. Will you? Step outside, don't seem like the same sky. Different lights, it's a little too bright, so I stay inside. Won't hurt my eyes, there's too much gravity in this reality. Reaching for something to find, afraid my demons might come back to get me. Yeah, they hear me. The buzzing in my ear becomes words I never spoke. You were asleep when I awoke. Your life, it seems so different now. And it's finally up, I'm still awake, thinking about every mistake I've ever made. So I don't sleep for days when my world falls apart. You hold me like this, nowhere we can run. When my demons come back to haunt me, we fight them all for me. When your world falls apart, oh, I will not run. They cannot hurt you by the time I'm done. I'll sing you to sleep, I'll lie in your bed, I'll sit with your demons until they are dead. Will you? Will you? Will you? Why does it feel like my world is ending every time I step outside? Oh, why does it feel like my world is ending every time I look in your eyes? Why does it feel, why does it feel, why does it feel like my world is ending lately? Thank you. That one's my depressing
Hello, that was
end of the
awesome.
world song.
That was beautiful, though. Hang on.